Hi parents, family, and Magic mentors and mentees. I am Priscilla P. I am the co-founder of an education startup, and I actually met Ira when I was at Google for 5 years. And I am so thrilled to introduce our next presenter. She loves tennis, animals, and making a difference in the world. And so how do you do that with technology is what we worked on. So what she did was she planned the project from start to finish. I was just a guide. And now she has a website live that you can check out. Please welcome Leyla Rivera.
Hi, I'm Leyla, and I'm in 6th grade. My mentor, Priscilla, she's very nice and caring, and she's really fun to be around with. And also she's the co-founder of Math Pop-Up, which basically teaches you about algebra. And Priscilla and I both like to swim. I've been working on Code Academy to learn about the different types of code. And I made a website that helps people find animals. And also I used W3 Schools as a reference to find out if I didn't know something, then I could get it there. One highlight of learning JavaScript or any type of code is that you can use it later on in life. So if you're trying to make a company and you want to make a website, then that can be really helpful. And another highlight of learning code is that you can use it later on in life. My mentor Priscilla, she would always refer to something if I never knew the concept of it. And also the coding was a lot of fun. And so I made a pet website that can help people find an animal. And so it has 2 games, the life of a pet and another game. And then also I put resources, so then if you click onto them, then you can go to the pet shelters that are in the Bay Area. Okay, thank you.